Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Campfire seed pack in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Summer Camp Event Part 2. Okay, finally guys, the Summer Camp Event Part 2 has been released and there is a new event right here. The Bear Nabby event. I don't know what it is called guys. But yeah, here you can get the Campfire seed pack from here. These are the possible seeds you will get from the Campfire seed pack. And if you want to get it, you need to give this bear Nabi a requested plant. Now, he is asking the flower plants. So we need to give him flower plants with the wet mutation in this weight 0.38 kilogram, and I'm going to ask him to find a plant for him. Okay, this one, and after that we're going to click on take this plant. Okay, and I just got the Campfire seed pack, and after you get 50 Campfire seed pack, you will be able to get an exotic seed pack. And yeah, that's it. Okay guys, and that's how we can obtain the Campfire seed pack in Grow a Garden Summer Camp Event Part 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!